Shunt, Discount Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll review the Cdiscount Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, covering its key features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are available in the description below, so make sure to check them out. The Cdiscount Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a tool designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs streamline their dropshipping operations on Cdiscount, one of Europe's largest online marketplaces. It's built for sellers who want to automate tasks like product listing, inventory management, and order processing, making it a must-have for those looking to save time and scale their business. One of the key features of this integrator is its ability to sync product data from your suppliers directly to your Cdiscount store. This includes importing product details, prices, and images, as well as ensuring inventory levels are updated in real time to avoid overselling. The tool also supports bulk uploads, which is particularly useful for sellers managing large catalogs. Additionally, it automates order fulfillment by forwarding customer orders to your suppliers and providing tracking updates once the orders are shipped. The integrator's strengths lie in its automation and efficiency. It reduces manual work, ensures accurate inventory synchronization, and enables you to manage multiple suppliers with ease. Its integration with major suppliers and third-party tools allows for a smooth workflow, making it ideal for experienced dropshippers who want to expand their presence on Cdiscount without being bogged down by repetitive tasks. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. For new sellers, the setup process may feel complex, especially if they're unfamiliar with technical configurations like APIs or supplier integrations. Additionally, while the tool is generally reliable, minor syncing delays or occasional discrepancies in stock updates can occur, particularly if multiple suppliers are involved. In conclusion, the Cdiscount Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a powerful tool for dropshippers aiming to optimize their operations on Cdiscount. Its automation capabilities, bulk import features, and real-time synchronization make it an excellent choice for scaling your business. While there's a slight learning curve for beginners, the time and effort saved in the long run make it a worthwhile investment. Check the links in the description to explore this tool further and see how it can help you succeed on Cdiscount.